Somebody definitely called the cops on me. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing something special. I just got a new camera, the Sony A7RIII Mark III. The camera I had before was a Canon M50 Mark I. That was a great camera, great beginning camera, but after all these things that have happened, shooting houses with videos, doing car photos for people, then I needed a different camera. So that's why I've upgraded to this camera right here. I wanted to do something different. Instead of Canon, I went with Sony. This is a 46 megapixel camera compared to a 20 megapixel camera, which was my Canon. So a big difference in picture quality. So when you zoom up, you'll see better image quality. So we're gonna be taking some more pictures of my 4Runner. So we're gonna go out. It is snowy outside. It's melting, but we're gonna do that before it melts. So here we go. I did get a new tripod. This is the Jolican tripod. I like this orange right here because it matches the camera like right here. So it's the same kind of orange. First time using this, so we'll see how it is. Alrighty, first we're gonna be getting a wash for my 4Runner because if you can see this right here, it's just all covered in snow. So we'll see if I can get a car wash. And then we're gonna go to some spots to take some pictures. But let's start her up and get started. Alrighty. Alrighty, so we are at our first destination. If you can't see this right here, it's a building. Got some new fog lights, the yellow, so that looks pretty good. So we're gonna start using this camera, see how it is. First time using it. But here we go. It's gonna be awesome. Alrighty. So this looks like a pretty good angle. Let's get the aperture down a little bit. Oh yeah, that's awesome. I love this new screen. It's definitely interesting, like that right there. Let's get a picture like this right here. Let's turn this up a little bit. Oh yeah, that's sick. Let's get some shots right here of the SR5. Let's line that up a little bit. Yeah, this 50mm lens, f.1.8. I love it. Like, it's a smaller lens. This is color without the cover, but it's a great lens. Got this for $200. So let's get a shot from behind. Let's do it down here. Or let's do it like this. Oh yeah, that's sick. Maybe we can get up here, get a shot from above. Let's see, hopefully these stairs don't give out. Oh yeah, if you can see that. That's sick. Oh, these pictures are gonna look sick. Let's try to going through the brush. Let's do manual focus real quick. I love how this zooms up so you can see like the detail. Oh yeah, definitely. All right, we'll try getting some shots of the wheels, the TRD, and then we should be good. Let's see. Let's do manual focus real quick, or autofocus. Oh yeah, sick. Sick. All right, this is gonna be good. I could try getting an angle like this now. All right, we're gonna try somewhere else. We're gonna try on the side of the building, see if we can get anything good. Ready. So we are here right now. So we're gonna see if we can get some pictures here, and then we'll go to a different spot. Let's try getting the snow like that. Oh, yeah. Looks like you're in the snow, kind of. Maybe we can get some like that. Let's see. Let's see how that turned out. Oh, yeah. Heck yeah. Let's go. We'll try. Let's get one in the front. Nice, nice. Alrighty. I think that should be good. We're gonna be going to the next destination. I can't talk. But yeah. Just take a picture of my car. Okay. Am I not allowed to be there? Is there like?
No, it's on property.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I didn't see any signs.
Okay. Well, obviously.
Yeah.
It's not your property, so it's private.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
All right. You have a driver's license on you?
Yeah. Just real quick.
Yeah. I don't.
Yeah.
Nope. In case it drops, it's like $1,200 right there.
Just got it today, so just.
Yeah, I ain't holding that. 30301.
Can I go put this in the car? Is that all right?
Yeah. Yeah, just a warning.
All right.
That's kind of probably this. He came back.
Sorry about that.
No, it's all right.
It's nice to know that, yeah. It was just a good spot to take pictures, that's all, yeah.
No problem.
But, yeah.
All right.
I won't be back here again.
All right, take care. Have a good one.
Thank you as well. I just got called. The police called on me. Just got a warning. Wait here. Somebody definitely called the cops on me. Because they saw me. Rats. Thought I was gonna get a ticket there, but hey, just be cool with them and they'll be cool with you. Yeah, man. I didn't see any private property signs, but that's okay. That's gonna be a cool video. Bruh. Oh yeah. Oh, he's going back there again. What's he doing? Let's see if I can get out of here. Oh man. You know what? I'm just gonna go home. I'm kind of done. It's getting dark out, but I got some good photos. What a good video. I'm going to be editing this and then I'm going to be posting it. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoy this content and you want to see more pictures of like me going out, taking pictures of cars or just any place, give this a video like and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.